Okay, my friends, as we prepare for a new year coming ahead for us, we all have plans and ideas in our head about setting goals for 2023. But to prepare for 2023, I first want you to review 2022. And I'm going to give you three things that I want you to review now so that you have that information when you begin to plan for 2023. And if you want to take this work deeper, I am hosting a 2023 Get More Clients business planning workshop on December 9th. It's going to be held online, so you can attend from anywhere in the world. And during our time together, we're going to set your goals for 2023. We're going to identify how you're going to reach your goals next year. We're going to decide what your plan is going to be and all the action steps that you're going to take in 2023 to create the results that you want to create so that when December 31st, 2023 shows up, you have created the business and life that you want in the new year. And to join me, I'm going to put a link for you to get your ticket right now in the description below this video. Okay, so as you are planning for 2023, there are three things that I want you to review. The first thing I want you to review is the past year's goals. What were your goals in 2022? Did you reach them? Yes or no? If you did reach them, why and how did you reach them? If you did not reach them, why did you not reach those goals? Now, in the beginning of the year, you may have set different types of goals. You may have set an income goal. You may have set a client goal. You may have set a team goal. You may have set some other form of an expansion or growth goal. So I want you to be looking at all the goals you set this past year. Even if you don't remember, I want you to dig back into all of your journals where you set your goals in 2022 and ask yourself, did I reach my goals? Yes or no? Why or why not? The second thing that you want to review is review all of your results. What are the results that you created this past year? So the results that you created were the number of clients that you created, as well as the income you created. And then I want you to ask yourself, how did you create that number of clients? And how did you create that income? Whether it's what you wanted to create or it wasn't what you wanted to create. How did you create the results that you ended up with? The third thing I want you to review is, where did your clients come from? The clients that you brought in the past year, where did they come from? That is one of the most valuable things that you can become aware of so that you take that information into the next year with you and you know how to hone in your marketing, focusing on the things that are already working. Too many times we overlook some of the most obvious things. And what that means is, what is working now and how can you make it continue to work for you in the future? And what isn't working now that you can perhaps consider either tweaking, revising, or letting go of in the new year. So those are the three things that I want you to pay attention to and review as you plan for 2023. And I invite you to do the planning workshop with me on December 9th so that you can hit the ground running in January with your business, focused on your goals and the things that you're going to do next year to bring the results that you want into your reality. All right, my friends, if this video was helpful, please make sure you hit up that like button and make sure that you subscribe so that you don't miss any other upcoming episodes. Bye for now.